Good morning, Spinthusiasts. So you clearly enjoyed the fact that we had a middle school color guard interest meeting yesterday, because I posted that flyer and it was like, boom, 600 likes. Like, what the heck? Like, our normal stuff doesn't generally do that well that quickly. So anyway, yes, we're starting a middle school team. It's gonna be non-competitive. It's just to start teaching younger students about how to spin flags, basically. And my question for you now is, help. I have not worked with middle school students in a very long time. I teach dual credit biology and anatomy at the high school, so it's like juniors and seniors, and I am professor of biology at the college, so I teach like older high school kids and college students. Most of the students in Spintronics, while we occasionally get like a 14-year-old or so, generally they're like 16 to 22. So most of my experience within the last 10-12 years has been high school students, or like I said, older high school students and college students. So what are your tips? What are your tips for working with middle schoolers? Because holy cow, this is going to be quite an adventure. I will say I am very grateful. I'm working with Andrew, which if you guys ever watched our very, very first Spintronics performance, our prisoner show, the first year we did competitions, we got third place in our class, and Andrew was in that show. He's one of my former students, and after that he went to college and he became a teacher, and now he's back and he's teaching at the middle school. So we are working together on this project, and he's got some pretty good skills of like, all right, middle schoolers, here's how this goes. And I'm just kind of like, yay, color guard. So it's a pretty good dynamic. We'll kind of see how it all works out with them. But yeah, if you guys work with middle school students, whether it's color guard or otherwise, give me some tips. I'm gonna need all of the help I can get with these middle school students and to get this program off the ground. We did have a really good turnout. We had, I think we decided 38 kids was how many. We counted up the copies and so on, and saw how many other people needed copies, and so we had a lot of kids really interested. There were a few who came just to get out of class, I'm sure. There always are, but I'm pretty excited at the number of who came who actually were really like enraptured. We let them spin some flags a little bit, so they got to get their hands on some of the flags and see how tall they are and what have you. We do have some different heights of flags to work with our middle school, but yeah, it should be a really interesting experience. So drop your tips below. Follow my socials if you don't already. Follow us on YouTube. The vlog started yesterday, so our first vlog for the season is up. Next week we're going to be doing a Macy's throwback, just because we're working on an every other week schedule right now, and then we will continue the vlogs after that. It's almost Thanksgiving, guys. Crazy. Anyway, I'll talk to you guys later.